LuxMed Dental Autoclaves, tabletop autoclave class offered N robust and compact space-efficient design.
Welcome to LuxMed, a testament to the Make in India mission, a global force redefining health.
LuxMed Dental Autoclaves, tabletop autoclave class N primary application is to sterilize dental instruments and equipment, including handpieces, mirrors, probes, forceps, and trays, to prevent the spread of infection between patients. It is a crucial tool for maintaining hygiene and safety in dental practices by using high-temperature, high-pressure steam to kill microorganisms. Autoclaves are used for a wide range of materials, including wrapped or unwrapped, solid, hollow, and porous items. Instrument sterilization. Autoclaves are used to sterilize a wide variety of reusable dental instruments, such as probes, explorers, mirrors, and forceps. Handpiece sterilization. They are used to sterilize dental handpieces, which are essential for procedures and must be free of contaminants between uses. Equipment sterilization. Dental autoclaves can also sterilize other equipment, including trays, syringes, and glassware. Safety for all procedures. By ensuring a sterile environment, autoclaves protect both dental staff and patients during all types of dental procedures, especially those involving surgery. Clinical waste management. In some cases, autoclaves can be used to make clinical waste safe for disposal, such as prior to incineration. Academic and research use. In educational and research institutions, autoclaves are used to sterilize laboratory equipment and instruments, ensuring a clean and safe environment for students and researchers. LuxMed looking for offshore manufacturing partner for inline country that produces goods for local demands and supply to reduce manufacturing costs or access specialized capabilities and technology access to scale global business operation. For details, please revert.